Yeah, me people, the lion there again, with one more health tips. So, for the persons who have stomach problem, call it what it will. Some of you have stomach problem. The doctor may tell you say name ulcer stomach. Ulcer stomach is no ulcer stomach. Ulcer stomach is you drinking and eating at the same time. Not even dog nor cow no drink and eat at the same time. So you dilute your hydrochloric acid. So by right, you should eat first and then 30 minutes after you drink, or you can drink first and then eat after. Anything else, you dilute the hydrochloric acid in your stomach and it can't go break down your food properly, and they're gonna have an acid reflux, and that is what they call ulcer stomach. You know got me? Alright, so if a other stomach problem is either you name from the wrong person. When I read the story them in the Bible, most of the kings and queens them, what they do, them poison them at a function. Some function if he invite you and you say you come and don't turn up. Be careful of when you're in crowd, you go to functions. That's how them poison most person. You hear? Some of the poison them no kill you once, they mash up your stomach. Or for the pork eaters, remember, me just fix somebody with that. Worm lay eggs and go through them friggin' cycle name again, man. Metamorphosis. Then go through the cycle and full cycle in our stomach and bore hole in our stomach. This is why when you eat rice, for the person who is having stomach problem, you realize your stomach start hurting, you feel like you want to vomit. No, that's worm burrowing into your stomach. Yeah, man, pass it on to many more, you hear? And over here, so we fix that. We get rid of the stubborn worm, you hear? Check your knowledgeable True Virgin Foundation. Yeah, man, support the brand. That's a booking on Amazon and in Jamaica for $5,000. Earth. And we have the brand name there. Yeah, man, knowledgeable True Virgin Foundation. Peace and light. I'm out. More tips. Ask for more. Ask your question, then me answer in due time.